And now here's another version of the hammer, which as you can tell involves two 11-inch rounds and the 360. Now these 11-inch rounds I've tied close to the inflated part, because what I'm going to do for these, instead of dividing one 11-inch round, you blow up two. So however big you want them to be, I've made these about 8 inches. Then you tie them together in the middle there, and what you get is you don't have to worry about twisting one into two, and you get the two color effect. You can do whatever colors you like. And then again, we're going to take our 360, make a couple of pinch twists out on the end. There we go. And then we're just going to wrap this around the middle again, just like before. Line up our two pinch twists so that they are sitting opposite each other to secure it. And again, figure out how long you want to make your handle. Trim off the excess and tie it. Come back here. And then again, you've got a nice sturdy hammer bit. Really great, and this one's just a little bit more colorful than the other version, because now you have the two colors.